The purpose of this short video, hopefully 5 minutes, is uh, to describe and demonstrate how custom programming using the Tekla Open API combined with the C# programming language can create custom applications that save time, um, reduce expense, and perform tasks that might otherwise be too difficult. Another thing that's useful about custom programmed applications is that they tend to do their repetitive tasks quite accurately. Now, the example that we're going to use in this case deals with barcode readers and barcode information, but really uh, the uh, the description could apply to so many different uh, tasks where outside information is needs to come into a Tekla and in an accurate fashion. Now, I'm just going to bring in, we can import into Tekla all sorts of information, attributes, PDFs, all sorts of things. Tekla already has the functionality to import quite a few different things, but in this particular case, um, they didn't have a tool that would allow um, the importation of this barcode database information. So in the case, these modern barcode readers uh, can write to a database. The database can be online, which is very useful, especially when the barcode is being read in separate locations. For instance, in the shop, out in the yard, at the fabricating shop, um, in the paint booth, at the job site, on the trucks, in different locations. The uh, it's not unusual to see fabricators putting barcodes onto their steel, and this application is a fairly small, inexpensive application. It's just we're really just trying to demonstrate some of the things that can be done with C# programming and the Tekla Custom Open API. So the when the barcode reader um, creates the database, the information is going to look a lot like this. There's quite a bit of information. I've just pulled in a sheet here and it's a database. It can be online, and there's just a lot of things going on here. I should be able to scroll through that if I can find the bar. There we are. There's just all sorts of things going on, and in this case, the part mark, the quantity, the profile, whether it's in shop fabricated, on the trailer job site erected, that sort of thing. Um, so in order to bring that into Tekla, this is a real place where custom programming just thrives on this sort of a task. We can download the database with this tool. We're going to do the selected assemblies, so I'll just select those assemblies now. So I resumed the video, and here's our selected assemblies. I've shown these in another video. And if we look at the notes here, there's nothing in them, and they're all like that. But the notes could be, the information could be easily imported into Tekla, and from the barcode reader, and the database from the barcode reader could be situated online, and so all that's very easy to do. We'll just bring this simple example into place. We're not going to select all assemblies. I'm going to select. I got to select these assemblies. Okay. We're going to update all the fields, but we could just do individual fields. And we're going to download the database. You can see as the tool does its job that Tekla will be providing notification in the notification window in the lower left-hand corner. And soon the job will be done and we'll see what the result is. Now this won't take very long. So right now it's downloading, because we're only doing a few beams. That's why it's not going to take long. We're downloading the selected data, and pretty soon that will be done. And now it's the data download is complete and the operation is completed. So it only takes a few seconds to write it. So here's it puts up a message box that appears off the video capture screens. So we'll just there. I'll move this off the screen and we'll just take a look at what's been created here. And so the data that we get into the model won't look exactly like this data because, of course, when you're using custom programming, you can easily customize the output. But the output can be anything that you want it to do. And just so we look at this, there it is. It's all included. Same with, they're all like that. It's just, that's really kind of an easy task for custom programming in Tekla to accomplish, but there wasn't an interface that necessarily did it quite easily. And so there's the example for the custom programming in the Tekla Open API, that it's very easy to create these sorts of custom applications. They can be a plug-in, or they can be a separate application that runs within Tekla and accesses the capability of Tekla. But this is not a difficult task, and it's one of those common tasks that are easy to do. So I see our video is a little bit past 5 minutes, so I'll just thank you for taking the time to look at this and to see what you can do for downloading current data. But of course it does more than that. Our website, tekladeveloper.com. Please, if you need to email me at info@tekladeveloper.com. Thanks.